Do you struggle with self-doubt in any form? Does it manifest as negative self-talk? Does it manifest as the belief that you can't achieve your dreams and overcome your challenges? However it manifests for you, keep watching until the end of this video, because I'm going to attempt to crush that self-doubt using one of the most powerful techniques I've found to build unbreakable self-trust. I'm Nick, and in this video I'm going to give you one of my favorite techniques to build massive self-trust in your life today. And what that's going to do for you is help you crush self-doubt and cultivate a lot more presence in your life and a whole lot less overthinking, worrying, and negativity. So what I want you to do is this. I want you to make a vow to yourself. And the vow is, I will never give up on myself. I will never give up on me. And this is a vow. This is not a promise that can be broken. This is not words to be taken lightly. This is a serious commitment. You can even write this in the form of a contract to yourself that you sign. You can post-it note it all over your room. You can make it the home screen on your phone. You can get a ring with never give up engraved on it. I have one that says, good thing, bad thing, who knows? So that I'm constantly reminded to not judge situations. So you can have your own version of that with this vow to constantly remind you. And it's important with this to get clear on your intentions. Why are you making this vow? Is it to live your best life? Is it to not let others around you down? Is it to have the confidence to get through any hard times if your life is particularly difficult? What's your intention? Why are you doing this? Get clear on that and set that intention every single day. Do a 2-minute morning meditation. That's all you need, 2 minutes. And set that intention. It's going to help you stay true to it throughout your day, every single day. But it's important that you make this vow now to yourself. Because what this is going to do is keep this in your mind fresh, no matter how low you get. Even if you can't see the light at the end of the tunnel in the slightest, you're always going to know that it will be okay. Because you're always going to know that you have your back, that you're not going to give up on you. There's always someone there for you, and that person is you. So it's going to help build rock solid self-trust in that way. And this will help you get through anything and achieve anything. When you're doubting yourself, can I really achieve my dreams? Oh yeah, I'll never give up on me. So of course I can. It's going to help you through every challenge in your life. Whether that challenge is self-doubt or whether it's external battles that you have to overcome. Always come back to this vow. I will never give up on me. And you are worth that kind of commitment. You have massive self-worth just for being a human, and you deserve this kind of commitment. So make this to yourself today and don't waver on it. Anytime you feel yourself starting to slip away from this, come back to your intention. Remember why you're doing this. And always, in any hard time, in any challenge, and when you're experiencing self-doubt of any kind, bring it back to this vow. Making this today is a turning point in your life. I will never give up on myself. You deserve this, you're worth this, so make this vow and stick to it. Apologies for the edit in this video. A fly flew in my mouth, there was a whole ordeal, whatever. Like, share, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Videos every Friday on presence and every Sunday on self-trust. Hit the bell and stay tuned.